Hello friends, right now I'm going to show you how to on off 24-hour format on Samsung mobile phones. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll down and here you are going to find this general management option. Just click on it. After you have been click on it, here you have to move on this date and time. Then here is the 24-hour format. So if you want to use or on this 24-hour format, you just click on this icon like this. Here the 24-hour format will be activated, and if you want to off or you don't want to use, then just click on this icon like this. Here the 24-hour format will be off. Okay, you can on off by this icon, the use of 24-hour format. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.